Sup Randoms, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma and I create YouTube videos. Today's video is more of a tutorial, how to do a Jack Skellington face paint. The first thing I do is put my hair back so that it's not in my face. Then I get my moisturizer and apply it to my entire face so that any colours don't seep into my skin and stain me. I let it dry and then I start applying my paint. I am using Radical paint, which I actually got from a party store. It's not high quality. I don't think it was $10 for 5 little tubs of paint, which was pretty good. So considering I'm just starting out, I thought that was pretty reasonable. And then I just go in with a flat foundation brush and try and get an even coat. I did have to go in with a second layer for the white because it was quite opaque, but not as opaque as I wanted it to be. So once I've got both of those layers pretty flat and looking the way that I want them to, I just go straight in with the black paint, and I am following a reference picture. I also have a figurine up on my wall of Jack Skellington, so I used that as a reference as well, but I just freehanded it because I knew that if I mucked up any of the line art, I'd be able to just go around it again quickly with a finer tip brush to clean up any of the line art. So I was using an eyeshadow brush. All of the brushes that I'm using are brushes I've had for years and years. They're Nutrimetics. It's like a brush set that you can get, and I've only ever used these brushes for makeup, so I thought they would be fine to use on my face. My technical detail brushes that I have actually used for painting before, but I've definitely washed them well enough to be able to use them on my face. But I do plan on getting a set specifically for my face paints, just so everything can stay as clean as they possibly can be, seeing as it's going onto my face. I do switch over to another brush shortly, which is like a flat angled brush, makeup brush, to try and do some of the line art a little bit more accurately. I wish I had have done it at the beginning of the mouth, because you can see on the left hand side of the screen the lines are a lot clearer than they are on the right, but that's okay, I know for next time. Then I begin on the chest. I probably could have painted the chest white at the same time as I did the face. Looking back, I think if I were to do this again, I would cover my entire chest and entire neck all the way around to the sections that I can't even see, because obviously then the camera wouldn't be able to see those areas either. It would just create more of an illusion, give it a better effect, to make it look more wholesome rather than how it turned out. But I'm still extremely happy with the way that it turned out. That's just something I will do next time, because this face paint look will be something that I definitely do again and again until I get it exactly the way that I want it. He is one of my favorite characters. It's one of my favorite movies, and so I thought that this would be a good one to do as like maybe a yearly creation in October or something like that. So I'm just working off the reference picture, like I said, and creating the neck piece. Like I said, I probably could have done it a lot bigger than I have, but I also didn't want it to be a total nightmare to clean off, as I only have a limited amount of time when I do these paintings, and it also takes a large amount of time to take it off, so the less effort the better. And that's pretty much the final look. I need to get a black backdrop so that you don't see my desk in the background and you can focus a little bit more on the painting. But working with what we've got, I think we've done really well. And in the editing process, you'll see at the end, I inserted a photo of what it looks like with black in the background, and it creates more of that illusion. Absolutely love the way that it turned out, especially after the editing. If you have anything you'd like to see in the next video, let me know, or any specific face paint looks that you're interested in. I'd love to give them a go. And a special shout out to my beautiful patrons, Justin, Ali Productions, Marco, and Pat. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.